Hare Krishna. I welcome you all for today's session, Food for Soul. Today's section is going to lead us by Raghunath Puri Das Prabhu. Actually, Seturam Prabhu supposed to lead today's session, but Prabhu told uh, because of some work, Prabhu told he cannot lead. Raghunath Puri Das Prabhu, I requested Raghunath Puri Das Prabhu. Prabhu said okay. And yesterday, due to some difficulty in internet, Prabhu could not lead it. And today, Prabhu is going to lead us. Hare Krishna Prabhu, we can.
Yeah, Hare Krishna Prabhu. Prabhu, Dandavat Pranam. And Hare Krishna to all the Matajis and Prabhujis who have joined. And yes, so please forgive me if I do any mistakes while leading the group, because as a devotee, I can just pray your mercy. Maybe, Gordon Prabhu, maybe we can just
Hare Krishna Prabhu, Dandavat Pranam.
Dandavat Pranam Prabhuji. Raghunath Puri Das Prabhu. Hare Krishna. Dandavat Pranam Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Prabhu, Dandavat Pranam. So in the evening, Prabhu has told me to lead. So okay, I'll try to do justice, but yes, please forgive me for any mistakes which is on my end. I just ask forgiveness to all my devotees who are here.
So, Prabhuji, are we going with one round of chanting?
Yeah, Prabhu. So actually, I was just waiting. We are just 8 people.
Yes.
I think maybe a couple of minutes. We can
get started. Yeah.
Yes, Prabhu.
You can lead us, Prabhu.
Okay, Prabhu.
In all the activities today. Is that what Gordon Prabhu? I didn't know about the.
Yes, Prabhu. Actually, Seturam Prabhu supposed to lead Prabhu. Prabhu told because of some work, Prabhu cannot lead it. I asked Raghunath Puri Prabhu. Prabhu said okay.
Fantastic. Thank you, Prabhu. Right.
Raghunath Puri Prabhu, please go ahead, Prabhu, with chanting.
Yeah, Prabhu. One minute. Namaste Krishna Krishna Swami Namaste Goshivanatha Deva Purna Samachai Namaste Bhakti Vedanta Swami Namine Namaste Saraswati Devi Gaurvani Pachani Misa Sunwadi Paschatya Starine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadara Srivasadi Gaur Bhakta Bindu Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Jagat Sri Prabhupada ki jai. Hare Ram Sankirtan ki jai. Hare Krishna, Matajis and Prabhujis. So welcome to Gita Subodhini session. So today we are going to chapter number 2. Before this, we just need to understand that, already we read introduction yesterday. So Bob Cohen, so he's basically discussing with, he's having a lot of questions, and he started with questions which he addressed to Prabhupada, and Prabhupada gave him Krishna is all attractive. That was our first chapter. So Prabhupada gave all the explanations, and then we are now moving towards chapter number 2, which talks about Vedic culture, Varnashram Dharma, and it happened on February 28, 1972 in Mayapur. So this all discussions is happening basically in Mayapur. So anybody can remember for how many days Bob Cohen came to Mayapur?
Seven days, Prabhu.
Yeah, but he actually then stayed for how many days? Okay, so he went on to stay for a longer period. That's like almost 2 months, and I think Prabhuji has told us day before yesterday that he finally became a devotee, and now he's giving his services. Am I correct, Prabhu?
So Prabhuji, you are reminding of Uddhava. Uddhava came to Vrindavan just for 1 day, and he stayed 6 months nearly. So similar incident you are saying. Yeah.
It was really, see the mercy of Prabhupada, our Prabhupada, when anybody comes in his contact, how he gets mesmerized and how things becomes clear in front of him, as we will be going through this book which says perfect questions, perfect answers. So chapter wise, we are going to discuss on this. And as Prabhuji has said, this is one of his favorite book. In fact, I also, when I read it for the first time, I found so many things clarified. So, okay, now we'll move on with chapter number 2. Mataji, if somebody can volunteer for reading.
Puja Mata is going to lead us in book reading, Prabhu.
Okay. Puja Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Yeah. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Shall I start from Bob?
Yes. Yes, Mataji,
Okay.
please.
Bob. I have asked devotees about how they feel towards sex in their relations, and I see the way they feel, but I can't see myself acting the same way. See, I'll be getting married at the end of this summer. Shri Prabhupada. Bob, I'll be getting married at the end of this summer in September or August when I return to America. And the devotees say that the householders only have sex to conceive a child. And I cannot picture myself at all in such a position. And what kind of sex life can one lead living in the material world? Srila Prabhupada. The Vedic principle is that one should avoid sex life altogether. The whole Vedic principle is to get liberation from material bondage. There are different attachments for material enjoyment, of which sex life is the topmost enjoyment. The Bhagavatam says that this material world, Purnisha Srita Mithuna Bhavam Itam, man is attached to woman and woman is attached to man, not only in human society, in animal society also. That attachment is the basic principle of material life. So, a woman is hankering or seeking after the association of a man, and a man is hankering or seeking for the association of a woman. All the fiction novels, dramas, cinema, and even ordinary advertisements that you see simply depict the attachment between man and woman. Even in the tailor shop, you'll find in the window some woman and some man. Pravaritir isha bhutanam nivartisi tu mahapadam. So this attachment is already there. Bob, attachment between man and woman, Srila Prabhupada, man and woman. So if you want to get liberation from this material world, then the attachment should be reduced to nil. Otherwise, simply further attachment, you will have to take rebirth either as a human being or as a demigod or as an animal, as a serpent or as a bird, as a beast. You will have to take birth. So, this basic principle of increasing attachment is not our business, although it is a general tendency. Grak, Kesta, Suta, home, homeland, sons. But if one can reduce and stop it, that is first class. Therefore, our Vedic system is to first of all train a boy as a brahmachari, no sex life. The Vedic principle is to reduce attachment, not to increase it. Therefore, the whole system is called Varnashram Dharma. The Indian system calls for Varna and Ashram, four social orders and four spiritual orders. Brahmacharya, celibate student life. Grihastha, married life. Vanarprastha, retired life. And Sannyasa, renounced life. These are the spiritual orders, and the social orders consist of Brahmans, intellectuals, Kshatriyas, administrators, Vaishyas, merchants, and farmers, Shudras, ordinary workers. So, under this system, the regulative principles are so nice that even if one has a tendency to enjoy material life, he is so nicely modeled that at last he achieves liberation and goes back home, back to Godhead. This is the process. So, sex life is not required, but because we are attached to it, therefore, there are some regulative principles under which it is maintained. Chanting starts somewhere in the background with exotic mridanga, drum beats, amidst laughing, and the loud blowing of horns. Srila Prabhupada. It is said in Bhagavatam that
पुंसा
Pumshah
पुंसाश्चामितानि भवम् एतं तयोर्मितो हृदय ग्रन्थिम् अहो अतो गृहक्षेत्रसुतापताविते ज्ञानस्य मोहोऽयमहम् अमेति. Yes, mother.
This sex life is the basic principle of material life. Attachment for man or woman, and when they are united, when a man and woman are united, that attachment becomes increased, and that increased attachment will induce one to accumulate griha, a home, kshetra, land, suta, children, adapta, friendship or society, and vitta. Vitta means money. In this way, griha, kshetra, sutapta, vitaha, he becomes entangled. Janyasa mohoyam. This is the illusion, and by this illusion, he thinks aham mamati. I am this body, and anything in relationship with this body is mine. Bob, what is that again? Srila Prabhupada. This attachment increases. The material attachment involves thinking, I am this body, and because I have this body in a particular place, that is my country, and that is going on. I am American, I am Indian, I am German, I am this, I am that, this body. This is my country. I shall sacrifice everything for my country and society. So, in this way, the illusion increases. And under this illusion, when he dies, he gets another body. That may be superior body or inferior body according to his karma. So, if he gets a superior body, then that is also an entanglement. Even if he goes to heavenly planets, but if he becomes a cat or a dog, then his life is lost. Or a tree, there is every chance of it. So this science is not known in the world, how the soul is transmigrating from one body to another, and how he is being entrapped in different types of body. This science is unknown. Therefore, when Arjuna was speaking, if I kill my brother, if I kill my grandfather, on the other side, he was simply thinking on the basis of the bodily concept of life. But when his problems could not be solved, he surrendered to Krishna and accepted him as spiritual master. And when Krishna became his spiritual master, he chastised Arjuna in the beginning.
असूचन्ननावच सूतं त्वं प्रज्ञावदं च भाससे गतासुन्न गतासुम च नानुशोचन्ति पंडिता. Yes, Mata.
You are talking like a learned man, but you are fool number one because you're talking about the bodily concept of life. So, this sex life increases the bodily concept of life. Therefore, the whole process is to reduce it to nil. Bob, to reduce it over the stages of your life, Srila Prabhupada. Yes, reduce it. A boy is trained as a student up to 25 years, restricting sex life brahmachari. So, some of the boys remain Nashintaka Brahmachari, celibate for life, because they are given education and they become fully conversant with spiritual knowledge. They don't want to marry. This is also restricted. He cannot have sex life without being married. Therefore, in human society, there is marriage, not in animal society. But people are gradually descending from human society to animal society. They are forgetting marriage that is also predicted in the Shastra. Dhampatya Bhrichuri Hetuha. In the Kali Yoga, the present age of quarrel, eventually there will be no marriage performance. The boy and the girl will simply agree to live together and their relationship will exist on sexual power. If the man or the woman is deficient in sex life, then there is divorce. So, for this philosophy, there are. Oh, I missed it. Okay,
I
so for
highlighted
this
the.
philosophy, yeah,
Oh,
so for this philosophy, there are many Western philosophers like Freud and others who have written so many books. But according to Vedic culture, we are interested in sex only for begetting children, that's all. Not to study the psychology of sex life. There is already natural psychology for that. Even if one does not read any philosophy, he is sexually inclined. Nobody is taught it in the schools and colleges. Everyone already knows how to do it. That is the general tendency. But education should be given to stop it. That is real education. There is long pause filled with sound of bicycle horns, children playing, and throngs of people calling to one another. Bob, presently in America, that's a radical concept. Srila Prabhupada. Well, in America, there are so many things that require reformation, and this Krishna consciousness movement will bring that. I went to your country and saw that the boys and girls were living like friends. So I said to my students, you cannot live together as friends. You must get yourself married, Bob. Many people see that even marriage is not scared, so they find no desire to marry because people get married and if things are not proper, they get a divorce so very easily. Srila Prabhupada. Yes, that's also. Bob. The, that some people feel that to get married is not meaningful. Srila Prabhupada. No, their idea is that marriage is for legalist prostitution. They think like that, but that is not marriage. Even that Christian paper, what is that? Watch. Sh- uh, Sh- Shama Sundara Watchtower. Srila Prabhupada, Watchtower. It has criticized that one priest has allowed a marriage between two men, homosexuality. So these things are all going on. They take it purely for prostitutions, that's all. So therefore, people are thinking, what is the use of keeping a regular prostitute at such heavy expenditure? Better not to have this. Shama Sundara. You use that example of cow in the market. Srila Prabhupada, yes, what when the milk is available in the marketplace, what is the use of keeping a cow? It is very abominable condition in the Western countries. I have seen it. Here also in India, gradually it is coming. Therefore, we have started this Krishna conscious movement to educate people in the essential principles of spiritual life. It is not a sectarian religious movement. It is a cultural movement for everyone's benefit. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you very much for
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
going through this in chapter 2. Okay, so now basically here two things are happening. First, Prabhupada, Bob comes up with his query regarding his marriage is going to be solemnized, and he has some in his background a lot of questions are going on. So here, as the chapter says, so basically Prabhupada emphasized on the Vedic culture, and finally he shifts his focus towards how Vedic culture says to follow the Varnashram Dharma. So to start with it, actually when Prabhupada is speaking, so what he says to Bob is, what is the topmost sense gratification?
Prabhuji, sexual life.
Okay, so yes, Prabhupada says that our this, but how does this happen? Like this sense gratification, topmost sense gratification, which we tend to move towards. How this happens?
Prabhuji,
Why it
it is the basic material world nature of animals like human beings also. It is a very basic core nature in material world. That's how
Yes.
I believe you are asking this.
Yeah, Prabhuji. So, any other take for this? You are true, Prabhu, but I think we can still have few more things.
Actually, I have doubts, Prabhu, so I will ask later.
Okay, Prabhuji, yeah, you can please go ahead.
Yeah, this thing is we are in Kali Yuga, Prabhuji, and I even in the Dwapar Yuga or whatever, Arjuna or the Kshatriyas would have multiple queens and wives, and so it seemed that based on the Varna Ashrama, they were allowed to for the prosperity of the kingdom and so on, maybe. But now everyone is literally a Sudra in Kali Yuga. How do I make it relevant in today's system?
Yeah. So Prabhupada, Prabhu. So coming back to my question, the one thing is that attachment. Attachment is just we think in our day-to-day life, we are sometimes attached with one small. While sleeping, we are attached with one pillow. That pillow, if it is not there, we will not be able to get a good sleep. If we go outside in our office, we have one chair. Or I will say one thing for me, I have a parking slot for me. If somebody comes up, puts a car in that slot, I'm not happy when I go in the morning for when I start my office. So see the attachment for small things. These are very petty things because there is already so many slots available. I can always park my car, or I can ask my driver to park car wherever the space is there. But we are so much attached. a small I mean, this attachment word is actually very big. We get into the aspect of not understanding how the attachment grows bigger and bigger, and we are, I mean, we tend to go for more of the sense gratification. Ultimately, it culminates into sense gratification. Yeah, coming back to your question, Prabhuji. As you said that, I mean, in Kali Yuga, I mean, I mean, our degradation has happened. And I mean, in this chapter itself, Prabhupada ends up, I mean, saying about the watchtower. So one priest, you know, and now you know that these laws are coming in our country. So, I mean, all over the world. So that time, Prabhupada, in fact, he's emphasized that this is what Kali Yuga is degrading. Now in Kali Yuga, how we have to, I mean, come out of this. I mean, he says about Varnashram Dharma. For I mean, how a child who remains as a brahmachari, and then he is like a nastic brahmachari. So who knows the reason behind why to become a brahmachari? And if he understands at, I mean, for the first 25 years of age, if he is able to be given a proper education in which he is made to understand that our purpose of life, what is our purpose of life, then probably our degradation stops there. I mean, probably we ultimately, I mean, the person who moves towards, I mean, understanding the whole process, finally he goes towards back, I mean, back to Godhead. That's what Prabhupada says. So, Prabhuji, this is a very, very, I mean, the chapter name itself is the Varnashram Dharma. So, if we are following Varnashram Dharma, in which everything is emphasized in a very, very Vedic system, whatever was being followed earlier, and now looking towards Kali Yuga, even in Kali Yuga also, this Varnashram is completely smashed. If you see in and around you, there is no Varnashram now. So this is where Prabhupada emphasized that we should again try to establish the Varnashram Dharma, and probably our ISKCON is working towards that. I mean, you would be knowing that, I mean, there are many of our, I mean, Maharaj, they are working towards it. Many of our devotees are working towards it. So, in this context, I can just say, Prabhu, that once we are into ISKCON and once we start following the principles, the 4 regulative principles which was laid down, and we start following the like discourse process wherein, I mean, we listen to Bhagavatam, we are getting knowledge what Krishna has said through Gita to Arjuna. We try to understand that. We get lot of insight for us to follow our life in a better way, understanding it, and finally falling into the line in which we can go back to God. Prabhu, I think I elaborated it. If I may have answered a little bit of your query. Okay, Prabhuji?
Yes, Prabhu. That's fine.
Okay, thank you, Prabhuji, for your, I mean, giving me an insight so that I could explain a few things. Which in fact, I would just narrate to one incident of my life. I mean, like coming to ISKCON. I mean, when I passed out my engineering, probably in way back in 1993, and I was in Delhi preparing for my, I mean, some of my exams. That time, our Delhi temple, which is in near to Nehru Place, I mean, so that temple was coming up, and the wall which was being built up, that was, I mean, always used to attract me. You could just imagine a wall which was being built for the temple, which I mean, always gave me an attraction. Why? I could see some of the devotees going through that, and when first day when I entered, and when I have seen basically when I was in face to face with Prabhupada, again he mesmerized me. So that eyes of his, probably, which I was saying to him, he said to me that there's something which is you are not following. So from that onwards, that time onwards, there was certain inkling that why, I mean, there is something which is missing in me. Slowly, probably it was a process in which we evolve ourselves, and this learning process is, if it starts at an early stage, we can basically groom up ourselves for our when the life comes towards Vanaprastha and sannyas, probably we are very well established to take on the path which we are taught about. So ISKCON is a great platform for everyone who really wants to understand the purpose of life. In fact, if you ask many people in and around you the basic question, what is the purpose of your life? Probably they will never be able to tell you. In fact, in that section, I can also tell you one example. I had one. I purchased one flat in Delhi, and in due course of time, see the attachment. There was another. The same builder just sent me saying that we are coming with another project, and he built one, and he started he was recommending to take one. Today, what is the position? I'll tell you, Prabhu. Can you understand what has happened to me? Though I was having one flat, and again I booked one, what happened to me? Can anybody give us, any guess for what has happened to me now?
Prabhuji,
You
attachment.
went into debt.
Yeah, Prabhuji, that attachment has made me to lose Artha. Okay, that flat is also gone. Now, maybe that was a lesson for me, Prabhu. So that how this attachment is so vicious, and it creates a halo around us, and it becomes in a form of a Maya. So this is what attachment goes on, and increasing attachment. Here Prabhupada also says that we have, our primarily attachment is with the three things. So can anybody elaborate on that? Our general tendency is general tendency for an attachment for three things. Yes, Prabhuji.
Family, property, and sons.
Yeah, Mataji. So Griha, Kshetra, and Sutta. So home, land, and son. So and it doesn't stop, Mataji. Actually, if we see, it doesn't stop. It
Yes.
keeps on, increasing. Once you have something, again you will think for something else. Like, okay,
Yes.
somebody a few years back, somebody had like a Maruti car. So now he thinks, oh, okay, why not I will go for a sedan car? Then next time he thinks, why not go for a sport car? So this once our attachment keeps on increasing, we keep on getting delved out into these all kinds of we can say sense gratification. Why? A car is one car is sufficient enough for us. Now people are nowadays having multiple cars in their home. So this is exactly where Prabhupada says that why Vedic principle is basically to reduce the attachment, and he says that, he goes on to say that in Vedic system we train a boy for no sex life, as a brahmachari. But again he says that, okay, we have to have a varnashram dharma in which we have 4 social orders and 4 spiritual orders. So brahmachari, grihastha, vanaprastha, and sannyasa, and we have social orders of brahmanas, the intellectual class, kshatriyas, administrators, vaishyas, mercantile class, and shudras, who are the ordinary workers. But this all in present situation, if we see, everything is now mixed up, and there is no clarity. Like if we think about, everything is become a mixture of we can understand that now there is no picture of understanding what exactly dharma, varnashram dharma is.
Prabhuji, sorry to interrupt you. Can I ask this? Have simple doubt, Prabhu. Is that okay?
So Prabhuji, yes, Prabhu.
Dandavat Pranam, Prabhu. Wonderfully you are explaining, and I am curious to seek your advice. So most of the time we come into a situation where, if suppose, as you gave an example, if I have one flat, I wanted to buy another flat, and if I have one car, I wanted to buy another car. And if I am pursuing my material goals, my question is that what's wrong in it? Because end of the day, that is the reason why I am dwelling so hard in my office and trying to do extra jobs toil my time in the home as well as in office. All that endeavor is to make money and lead a life where I can enjoy those comforts, having a luxurious car, etc. What's wrong in it? And how do we really come out of it? And from your experience, I would like to hear from you. Thank you, Prabhu. Correct.
Yes, Prabhuji. Thank you, Prabhuji. I mean, you have summed up the what exactly we need to understand. As you said, that if we are earning, and why not we should have this, I mean, all this, but all these things are, Prabhuji, if we understand, these are all towards our sense gratification. And if we are comforting our sense gratification, I mean, we are 100% sure that we will have in our background, there will be not even an iota of understanding what is the purpose of life. The purpose of life is to enjoy. But I mean, as we have understand, I mean, being into ISKCON, we have understood that the purpose of life is not, we are not enjoyers. We are basically that's I mean, we are here basically suffering. We have come in Shashwat Dukhalaya. This is a hospital where we have come. We have not come here to enjoy. We have come here to basically treat ourselves, and treatment cannot be done if we have a sense gratification, want to enjoy our life. We want, because then our whole, I mean, aspect of understanding the life purpose is not at all there. We will be just into thought process of more and more, and this will never give us, I mean, probably understanding, as per my understanding, this life again leads to another life, and Prabhupada says another life, and we don't know the kind of activities which we do, how much we will degrade. We may become animals, we may become trees, I mean, something which we cannot understand if we are enjoying in a way which we want to do. Actually, only enjoyer is Krishna. We all are his servants. So we have to understand that until as that feeling doesn't come, we should always try to engage ourselves into services of Krishna. Yes, being into my office, if I'm going in office, and if I have a car, Prabhu, and I use it for my office purpose, but for sure I should take out that car and do my services towards Krishna in a way I can do, keeping Krishna into a forefront. Like, for example, going for book distribution using my car. I can visit with some devotees to a temple, pick up some of the I mean, material which is required for the temple. So in a way, we can, if we can do these services, our mind and our senses are aligned with Krishna consciousness. So Krishna consciousness can never take front side if we are completely into sense gratification. And if we want to enjoy, the word enjoyment, it itself is not correct, Prabhu. I feel, I mean, enjoyment we want to do, the enjoyment is only for momentary. Even for this, I mean, this whole chapter says about sex life. I mean, everything is only momentary. We get happiness thinking that is a happiness, but it is for a moment. Again, next moment we get a call from office saying that something has happened, and again we are, I mean, into, I'm just giving an example from office. Sometimes it happens in the house also. You come with a very, you thought that, okay, my day has passed on very well, very happy. Once you reach home, you find something has happened. So we have to have, I mean, this is just as Bhakti Prabhu has said, it's a temporary happiness. So temporary happiness is never permanent. Only happiness which we can derive, Prabhu, is by serving Krishna, and he gives us a sense wherein we can understand that our whole purpose of life is to go back to Godhead. Sorry, Prabhu, I kept on elaborating, and
no, Prabhu, excellently you have explained, and thoroughly you have given it the practical experience that you have also been seeing. Thank you, Prabhu. Go ahead, Prabhu.
Okay, Prabhuji. So now since we have talked about this three attachment, now another thing which Prabhupada is basically talking about here is the bodily concept. I mean, bodily concept wherein we all, I mean, every one of us, whenever we land up, I mean, somewhere, Like even in, if I give an example, for example, if we land up in a party where in official parties there, we try to occupy the position which we have been given, thinking that we hold that position. Again, that position is basically a bodily concept. We have to be humble, first of all, our humble, and also we have to have compassion in our heart. That's most important. We have to, once we get into that vexing of I mean self-ego, which I mean one of the we talk about the limits. So this self-ego keeps on boosting us that no, we are one who is elevated to that position, so we are holding that position. But that position is only I mean you hold it only because that's a completely a bodily concept. So I mean here why this bodily concept leads us to, I mean one of the, I mean Prabhupada says that sex life is the basic principle of material life, attachment for a man and woman. So this attachment, again, what comes, how it grows into, again, another kind of, process of attachment, wherein we attached ourselves not because there is a purpose behind it. This is just because we are attracted towards body. It's a bodily attachment, not basically an attachment which is, in our ISKCON, as Prabhupada says that we get married to beget children only to produce Krishna Bhaktas. So our purpose of getting a child is only to mend ourselves in a way of producing a child who is a Krishna Bhakt. So this also gives us a kind of insight that our life, wherein we are using it for the Grihastha life. Grihastha has a very big responsibility. In fact, they have to show the path. I mean, if somebody remains as a brahmachari because he has understood it, but if one goes into Grihastha ashram is a very tough part of our the 4 parts in which we have divided our life. So in this, we have to set an example for everyone that yes, if we can, Grihastha can practice Krishna consciousness apart from so many challenges which he has to face in his life, then why not, others can follow. This sets up an example for others. And also, by following 4 regulative principles, we set up example for our coming generations who can also understand the basic purpose of Krishna consciousness, which we try to engage ourselves. And also, we make understanding that, yes, we are serving Krishna, and Krishna is the one who is the enjoyer. We all are his servants, and we have to serve in whatever way we can do it.
I just wanted to add 1 or 2 things, Prabhu, in this context.
Yes, Prabhu.
So,
Yes, Prabhu.
Yeah, can I go, Prabhu? 1 or 2. So one thing which comes to my mind is that whenever we are taking up this kind of a stand, especially with respect to sense gratification, one has to be very careful because artificially, if you are suppressing things without getting engaged to higher things in your life, that is where the danger comes. And if you have seen in Bhagavatam also, you see that Saubhari Muni or Vishwamitra, they were doing their yoga, but again, they were not in the Bhakti Yoga, or they were not really getting connected to Krishna, and their senses are not purified. So the danger that we see in these episodes is that once that agitating movement came in their life, they just fell down. That happened to Saubhari Muni, that happened to Vishwamitra. So that should not. And in ISKCON also, sometimes we find very some occasions where though some of the devotees who were initiated by Srila Prabhupada and they became sannyasis, they also fell down. Why am I telling this? Because we are not supposed to hide facts, but we need to learn from it. And in Bhagavatam also, you see that there are so many occasions, and go to the extent of saying that Brahma also had an ill intention when he saw his own daughter. So somebody was asking, why is that these kind of things are told in Bhagavatam? because one has to understand that this sense gratification is the highest, not in the material world, not definitely not in this Bhuloka only. When you go to higher planets also, people like Brahma can fall down and he can have that kind of a thought. What about you and me? So the only way that you can overcome this is that by getting attached to Krishna. And how can you get attached to Krishna? By devotee association. Having good association, that is the only way. And with my own personal example, I would say that I never thought that I will be able to overcome so many things that were so difficult, and I said this is all not practical. But sooner or later you'll find that when you get attached to Krishna and when you get attached to devotees, things will definitely be able, it will be in your control. You mean to control in the sense you will be able to now have more confidence about yourself. Yes, this is possible, it's not theoretical. So that's what I wanted to add, Prabhu. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity.
Yeah, Prabhuji, beautiful. I mean, you are really explained that things, how, I mean, even though when we want to move ahead, and there are so many examples, like Bhagavatam, as we say, Srimad Bhagavatam is a correction a book for all of us. There are so many examples given to us to understand that, I mean, we can fall down. If they can fall down, what is, I mean, in Kali Yuga, people like us. So every moment we fall. So there is, that's why we have to understand the whole purpose behind getting into Krishna consciousness, getting association of devotees. Like, for example, today when I'm talking about, I should appreciate way, Prabhuji and our Gordon Prabhuji and all, everyone. I mean, they are involving us and also associating us with so many devotees just to make us understand that, yes, whatever time you get, you please invest that into Krishna consciousness. Investment in Krishna, like we invest money, but we don't know, there is no 100% surety that there is nothing written down, you will get that or not. Yeah, you may get, but Krishna consciousness, if you invest your time, you are going to get that 100% result of that. So there is no doubt about it. That iota of doubt also, if it comes into our mind, we should remove it, because I feel very happy when I'm in association of devotees. In fact, when I come out of my office, first thing I want to do is to, go either to temple. Now presently we have classes, so I'm joining here and I wait for this class. So this association makes us purified. Every day the purification process is going on. So this purification process keeps us all aligned with our goodness, in the mode of goodness. And this mode of goodness can only be achieved when our senses are controlled. So with, I would like to end over here. And I just, forgive me if I have said anything which, may not have in due course of thought process as, I hurt anybody. But yes, my whole interest of, in a short notice, if I could just give some justice to whatever Prabhupada has been explaining. I know that I can't do that, but yes, I tried my level best from my level to explain certain things which was put down in this chapter. So thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you, Gordon Prabhu, for your constant saying that, Prabhuji, you lead. So thank you, Prabhu. Thank you very much, Prabhu.
Thank you, Prabhu. Very nice class we had.
Thank you, Mataji.
So we are very fortunate, Prabhu, so to get your association, and similarly, a lot of senior Vaishnavas are present in our group, and we are always getting nice kind of guidance and inspiration from all of you. So please do give your association, and we all are looking forward to get your more association all the time. Thank you very much, Prabhu, for a wonderful session today. I learned a lot of things, and I continue to ask Krishna for giving your association and all the devotee association. Thank you, Prabhu, once again. Hare Krishna.
So, I'm just a lowly laid down person. I just I had a wonderful, really speaking, Prabhuji, This is a wonderful association which I'm having, and I'm enjoying it. So that is the best thing I can say to all of my devotees who are here present, listening to this class. And yes, this association, I think that we just keep on, going ahead. And yeah, Krishna bless all of us. And I just pray mercy from all of you, that that mercy be on me, and I can keep progressing in my Krishna consciousness efforts. Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you, Mataji.
Prabhuji. And you can end by doing a few minutes of Kirtan, Prabhu. One of the devotees can do a follow-up like Kirtan they can do for you. So you can select or you can ask any devotee who could volunteer to do that. And before we do the Kirtan, I just wanted to seek who would be interested in taking up Seva for tomorrow. Same book, but next chapter, lead service. Who all are interested to take up lead service? You can raise your hands. We'll schedule it accordingly. Okay, Bapi Prabhu reading service. Okay, any other devotees who would like to take the lead service also? As we have seen that a lot of senior devotees, and at the same time, please take it up, because what happens is that this is an opportunity to really come out of that whatever apprehensions we have about ourselves, because we are doing it for Krishna. So it is a service. So take lead service also. Matajis and Prabhujis, we are all one family. So you can raise, those who are interested to take up lead service, can you raise your hands so that we can schedule it for in the coming days. Those who wanted to, because we do not want to force, but at the same time, we would like to seek your association. Vaniram Mataji and other Matajis. We know there was Swapna Mataji. So Matajis, please do come forward. And if not now, you can approach us anytime. If we wanted to seek all your association and guidance during this process. So tomorrow reading service, Matajis, anybody would be willing to take, like Swapna Rajkunda Mataji? Would you be able to take tomorrow reading service? Because you've not been able to, and Swati Mataji also. Reading service.
Hare Krishna Prabhu, I can read Prabhu.
Yes, Mataji. I'm looking for other Matajis who have never participated.
Okay, Prabhu.
So, Swapna Mataji.
I can also read Prabhuji.
Okay.
One of these days, maybe
Yes.
I can also take.
Is that possible for tomorrow, Mataji?
Yeah, it's possible for me.
Okay. Swapna Mataji, how about you? Is that possible for day after tomorrow? It's up to you, Mataji. We are not trying to force you. You can be comfortable. If you want few more weeks, it's all fine.
Prabhuji, I don't have the book and I don't have the presentation. So
Oh,
that's why I couldn't
no issues, Mataji. So we can, one of us will be sharing that on the screen and you can read it from the screen. Okay.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Thank you, Bhuvani Mataji. And others, Matajis, Prabhujis, please, you can contact us, by either me or Govardhan Prabhu, so we can schedule it accordingly. So please do interact with us. And lead also, we would like you all to lead things. So tomorrow, who would like to take the lead service? Anybody would like to take up the lead service? I know I'm putting little more time now, but just wanted to streamline things. Okay. Reading service, Malti Mata is there. Okay, so we'll figure it out. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Please go ahead, Prabhu, Raghunath Puri Prabhu. And one of you can be part of the Kirtan to follow up with Prabhuji. Thank you, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Jaya Radha Madhava, Jaya Kunja Bihari, Jaya Radha Madhava, Jaya Kunja Bihari, Jaya Radha Madhava, Jaya गोपी जन वल्लभा गिरिवरधारी जय गोपी जन वल्लभा गिरिवरधारी
जय गोपी जन वल्लभा गिरिवरधारी
यशोदानंदन व्रज जन रंजन
यशोदानंदन व्रज जनरंजन
यशोदानंदन व्रज जन रंजन
यशोदानंदन व्रज जनरंजन
वनचारी
यमुना वनचारी
कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण
कृष्ण
हरे
राम हरे राम राम
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे हरे हरे राम 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 हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
कृष्ण
हरे हरे राम हरे राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Krishna Hare Krishna,
Hare Hare
Krishna Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare.
Hare Krishna. Hare Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. राघव की जय, जय जगत गुरु प्रभुपाद की जय, गौर प्रेमानंदे, हरि हरि बोल.
Once again, thank you, Prabhuji, Raghunath Puri Prabhu, for your wonderful kirtan and wonderful class. See you all tomorrow morning in the Japa session, and also tomorrow evening, the Food for Soul session. And the session will be led by Swati Mataji, led in the sense she will be doing the reading, and one of the other devotee will take the lead sides. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Dandavat Pranam Prabhu, and Srila Prabhupada ki jai.
Hare Prabhu, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. I thank one and all for participating in today's session. I especially thanks to Raghunath Puridas Prabhu for so nicely leading in today's session. By saying to Prabhu, I come to know one example. Like if you take ball very strongly, it will come back very strongly. Prabhuji, we missed in yesterday's session. Prabhuji has given full thing for us with ecstatic kirtan along with Malti Mataji. And I thank Puja Mataji for leading us in book reading. And once again, thank one and all for your nice participation.
Thank you, Govardhan Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhu. Thank you, Prabhu. Thank you for all your support. Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Dandavat.